Using Mailchimp for newsletters is a straightforward process. Here's how to get started. Sign up and log in. Go to Mailchimp's website and create an account or log in if you already have one. Create an audience. Navigate to the Audience tab. Click Create Audience to set up a new list of subscribers. Import contacts or add them manually, ensuring they have opted in to receive emails. Design your newsletters. Go to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. Choose email and then regular email for a standard newsletter. Enter a campaign name and subject line for your newsletter. Select recipients. Choose your audience or specific segments from your list to receive the newsletter. Create content. Use Mailchimp's Content Studio to design your newsletter. Choose from pre-designed templates or use the drag and drop editor to build your layout. Add text, images, buttons, and links. Customize the design to match your brand. Preview and test. Preview your newsletter and send a test email to yourself to ensure it looks correct on different devices. Send or schedule. Once satisfied, choose to send the newsletter immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Monitor performance. After sending, track the performance in the report section. Analyze open rates, click rates, and other metrics to gauge the success of your newsletter.